nagamit tayo. Hi guys! Welcome back! Happy Sunday! And mag-aayos lang kami kasi magpe-prepare na ako ng breakfast.
And I'm cutting some ice
Magtiten
cream.
na dito sa amin. So, bago ako bumaba, usually naglalagay na ako ng mga kung ano-ano. I put sunblock on my face, konti. Tapos, bumili ulit ako nito guys. Yung Eclat na vitamin C serum na for anti-aging, for eye bags, antioxidants. So, lalagay ko lang siya. So, wala tong sunblock guys. Kaya naglalagay pa ako ng sunblock after.
What? You're putting sunblock?
Yeah.
Why?
Because gusto ko mag-bike mamaya. I hope makapag-bike kami. So, make sure na pina-inflate ko na yung bike kanina guys. Ay, hindi pala kahapon. Kasi akala ko makakapag-bike kami. Kaso, super late na. So, hindi na kami natuloy. And then, ito yung Olay na complete na siya. I got this leggings again from Amazon. And they come in 7 already, so that's really a good price at like 5 each. So I got it a total of like $39.99. And then this top that I'm wearing right now, I just got it from, I think I got it from Ross. Yeah, I love the print. It says what?
Mom, wife, boss. Mom, wife, boss.
Mom, wife, boss. Yeah, it comes in different shades.
It's like purplish pink.
Yeah, I love the color. Alright. And then this slipper, I got it from, I think I got it from Ross as well. Yeah, and they're very comfy. I did not finish what I'm doing. I am almost done with the laundry. I already washed all our coats because it's already summer, it's already warm. So that's why I still have some here. Maybe this is the last batch. So yeah, yung gagawin natin for today. I'm gonna get this one from the dryer. Tapos na yung dryer ko. So I'm gonna put it right here.
Ice cream today, Mom.
Yeah.
Can I eat ice cream?
It's not for breakfast.
I know for dessert.
I have my little helper right here.
I'm not little.
Oh, I have my big helper right here. You want me to call you big helper? Ayan, lalaban ko na yung mga pang winter kasi hindi na namin siya gagamitin. Makapal na guys. Kasi maraming sa pangalan niya is oxygen. Tapos isang ano lang, isang ganito lang yung nilalagay ko guys. Ayan. Pag medium load ng damit, isang ganyan lang. Kaya niya. And then, sa fabric softener naman, ito yung ginagamit ko. Mabango rin siya. Tapos, hindi siya ganoon sa mahal. Kaya nung game. Blue Sparkle. Para siyang downy, pero mas gusto ko yung amoy nito. Mas gentle siya. Tapos yung mga bra, nalagay ko dito sa mga para hindi masira. Kasi hindi ko siya talaga hinahandwash. Dapat talaga hinahandwash lang yung mga bra na yun. Pero hindi ko siya na handwash. So, natin nilalagay. Tapos yung mga damit na ganito, may mga print na ganyan. Mas mabuti, lalo pag wala namang space, balik na rin para hindi siya masisira. So you guys, most of the time I'm just using my phone for vlogging. So if you wanted to start vlogging, you can just use your phone. You don't really need a fancy camera. And you love to do what you're doing, you can start your own vlog. Wanted to start now. So I know it's still morning, but it's 11. So Cacci is requesting for mac and cheese. Yun yung gusto niyang kainin for today. Pinakuluan ko lang siya and then nag-add tayo ng milk. Ayan. Tapos I'll add the cheese later. Want some bacon. Guys, hinuhugasan ko yung bacon kasi medyo maalat. Pag di kayo pumili, meron kasi mga low sodium na bacon. Ayan yung maganda. Kasi hindi siya ganun kaalat. Pag, minsan, hinuhugasan ko siya. Kasi maalat nga. Let's look for cheese. For that mac and cheese. Because why not? We're gonna put 2 kinds. Oh my goodness! What happened? Nag-explode. Because of the milk. So make sure lower down the heat when you're cooking mac and cheese. And another cheese. We're putting like 3 kinds of cheese. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. We're putting like 3 kinds of cheese. Okay, meron tayong cheddar, mozzarella, at saka yung laughing cow. So laughing cow is mostly spreadable kinds of cheese. It's very creamy. Parang siyang cream cheese made of Swiss cheese. Part skim milk, and then yeah, it's spreadable, so it's really good for your sandwich. It's really good for just for snacks for your kids. A little pricey, pero it's healthy option for kids snacks, so it's just really good. At first, hindi kayo madalas bumili nito because may pagkamahal nga siya. I think this is like $3. Tapos meron siyang like 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, parang 8 na slices of cheese. And eat! It's your breakfast. Come on. Come on. So actually, this is Cacci's favorite. This is how I make it. And she loves it. It's very creamy and very easy to make. Yung daddy niya gumawa ng mac and cheese nung nag-duty ako the last time. And she said, I didn't like it. It's very watery. So this is how I do it. Daddy, you should watch how I do the mac and cheese for Cacci. Once it's boiling, first I boil it with the water, and then once it's almost done, I add the milk. We have to make sure it's almost done before I put the cheese. So again, I'm using 2 kinds of cheese. Cheddar cheese, this is a mild one, and then the mozzarella. I'll put the cheddar cheese first. There. You put the cheese. I grate the cheese. This is a mild cheddar cheese. I'd say I put about half cup of that cheese. See how creamy it is? Now we're gonna add this cheese. I don't usually add this, but today, since we have it, I'm gonna add 1. If you do have cream cheese at home, that will also work. So we're gonna add that. To spread it. It's very easy kasi spreadable na tong cheese na to, and it's very creamy. So just gonna stir it. Ayan, haluin lang siya ng mabuti. Make sure that you lower the fire because madali na siyang ma-burn when you're putting the cheese. So this is the butter. I put about 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm only making a little bit of this mac and cheese kasi ayoko na hindi na uubos ni Cacci and lalagay ko sa ref. Mas maganda yung fresh siya lagi. So, ayan, halu-haluin lang natin. And then you can add seasoning like salt. So, it depends on your taste. Mag-add tayo ng konti lang. Ayan. This will do, I think. Ayan, konti lang. Para hindi siya maalat. Kasi, later on, I'm gonna put a little bit of bacon on the top. Yun yung magiging topping pa. It's gonna be too dry for you. You can add a little bit more of milk, okay? So, when you put your mozzarella, nilalagay ko siya here sa bowl. Pag nilagay na natin yung naluto natin na cream cheese. Because, you know why? Didikit siya doon. Mahirap nang tanggalin. So, dito na natin siya hahaluin habang mainit pa. Then, we'll add our mozzarella. We're gonna have to mix it again para ihalo yung mozzarella cheese habang mainit. So, yung consistency of your mac and cheese, it really depends on you. If you want it kind of like a little bit of water, you can add more milk. So, ito mas okay sa kanya. Mas gusto niya ng ganito. With a stringy, creamy cheese in there. You see how it is? That's how she likes it. Yung how she likes it. Enjoy! I put the bacon already. There's more here in the air fryer, so you can add more if you want. But I'm gonna get a garlic bread for her as well.
Stretch.
Got this garlic toast from Walmart, I think. So I'm making it for the sides. Right. Just put it on a toast. I'm just gonna have my coffee. I love bread with it, so I'm just making this, heating it. This is what we call haba, and it has like a mahapano on the middle. It looks like the typical ensaymada bread, but of course it's different shape because it's mahaba. That's why they call it haba. Looks good. Gonna microwave that for I'd say about 10-15 seconds. Coffee for me. This is the Copico brand. I added a little bit more of cream. I love my coffee with the cream. So this is what I'm using, the Coffee Mate and just the original one. Tapos, I'm using the Copico brown coffee. So no more. How you like your food? Good? Do you want more water? So this is the toast that I showed you. It's really good. It tastes so good. And alrighty, let's eat. This is my breakfast. Breakfast, lunch. My coffee. That's it. It's like an ensaymada, but it really has a makapono. So and the shape is really mahaba. That's why they call it haba. See, I don't really like yung nilagay nila sa loob na makapono because they use the like the desiccated coconut. They didn't use yung fresh talaga na klase ng makapono. But since I'm having my coffee, then the bread is always perfect with the coffee. So I love my coffee this way. Parang ang laki ng bread, no? Hindi ko maubos. Wanted to walk, but we'll still have to clean up a lot of stuff. Let me just hang this coat. You want to walk outside, but the weather is good today. It's good to walk. It's not too hot. It's cloudy, so great. It's not even raining, so yeah, we'll have a walk. I put that sit cushion that I got from Amazon. If you're interested to know, I'm just gonna put all the links in the description of this product that I mentioned. I did try that. It's one of the most cheapest one I've seen. Look at Cacci.
I'm trying to stay in the middle.
You should remove the trainer already. The train wheels. Look at that dog. He's cute. Come on, Kobe. You know what? We'll go straight. Alright, it's clear. You can go. It's right there. Follow Cacci. Follow Cacci. Come on. Come on, Kobe. Good boy. Biscuit's coming over on Friday. The playground. We're gonna go on to the left side. Here at the park, she doesn't want to play yet, so pinark lang niya. Oh, let's do the first. Let's go to the kids. You park your my property right? Love the wind. This is nature. It's free. Yeah, just wear your sunblock so you won't get burned. It's not too hot today, actually. What's this?
Slime.
Get your slime. She loves making slime.
As you can see, I lost my container of my slime. But
You got your, what you got?
bug
We found a ladybug.
on your pants.
On my pants.
I don't even want my slime.
He's in the ducks loves to stay here. You love to hear those bird sounds. You love to walk here. Go scrolling. Oh, where? An aquarium?
It's just over here on my thumb.
She found a bug and now she's
I found
got
a
a
bug
pet
on your
ladybug
bed, on your pants.
on my pants. And are you having fun walking in the grass? Nature tripping with me today.
Bobby, the
Grass. You love to eat grass, I know that.
I'm scared. I thought it was my leg.
Not in there. I cannot go there. Come on, Kachi. Let's go. Gonna go. It's good to practice here. Okay, come on. We're gonna come back here later. We're gonna go biking. Smell like a araw. So we are going to play tennis. Hopefully there's no one playing on the court right now. I'm wearing my old shoes. I got these shoes for a gift since 2012 and it's still alive. Ano siya, very comfortable. And if you are curious, you can actually use this sa work. This kind of shoes I love to wear at work. Sabi ko, stink, someone farted and Kobe poked my head. We're living in the countryside. They're already tilling the soil and they're gonna plant corn soon. So we're gonna be swimming soon, Kachi. We enrolled her for like 1 month, I think. Is it 1 month or 2 months that? And it's very cheap. Yung lesson nila, it's like ano na siya before ng basic lesson. Tapos kung ano lang, tuloy lang ito nung swimming ano niya lesson. Hey, there's no one playing. Alright, Kobe, you're makulit. Alright, we got 3 rackets today. I got 3 for the 3 of us. Here. The big one's yours. Ito yung malaki sa'yo. Come on, Kachi. Dalawa tayo, Kachi. The two of us together. Done. Daddy lost. Let's go. Let's go, Kobe. Oh, they're gonna walk him first. I'm just gonna walk the dog a little bit. On our way to the park. Naku, okra kanina. Hindi pala. Mukha siyang okra. Si Kachi naglalaro. Kachi! Hi! Yes. It's okay. Hala, minsan si Ganapi, Kobe. Guys, yung willow tree. Whipping willow pala. I like it. Hanapan natin si Kachi ng ladybug kasi nawala niya yung ladybug. Wala niya yung ladybug niya kanina. Dan daw kami ng jewel. Ala, para na akong nasunog sa kulay ko. Dan daw kami ng jewel. Gusto niya ng ice cream in a cone. Nagawid tayo, nagawid tayo. Oh, be careful, babe. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's right here. Alright, which one? With the crumble chocolate chip cookie dough. This one, mint. Gonna look for popsicle. Go get it.
The door.
It doesn't move. Here. Alright, got it. Cone Oreo. Kobe, your tail. Bye, Kobe. Alright, if it's gonna hurt, I'm sorry. There you go. Good boy. Oreo. Popsicle. Here you go.
Okay.
Here. She can't wait. Let's go home. We're home, guys. Tomorrow's school again. Wala akong work tomorrow.